guys, what is up? As you might know, the video from the exhaust cutoff valves is going pretty good, which is why I have decided to make another one, because I now have a better camera and with a microphone on it that has the best sound available. So I wanted to make a sort of update from it and introduce my neighbor Kevin. You have already seen him once in a little film.
This guy is my
he helped me out with making the cutoff valves and doing it all perfectly. But in my last video or a video ago, I said at the end of the video that if you can make it work and you want to do something and you know how to do it but it just won't happen, you can ask someone for help, like your neighbor. In my case, this is Kevin, and Kevin is a little bit crazy. But now is the question, he does not have Instagram. What do you guys say? Should he make Instagram? And as you might know, my neighbor really is one of my best friends, and we have a small group together. And no, we're not forgetting you, Patrick. No, we don't. And yeah, well, they're all technical and I am not so technical when it comes to doing stuff. I mean, this guy has his own company doing sewers.
Bart is de automechanic. Patrick is de denker en ik ben de doer.
The thinker, yeah. Also, we cannot forget Bart. Without him, it wasn't even possible to, get the exhaust valves under it, because that was a lot of work and a lot of cutting metal. So Bart, you're my man. Well, you guys, this is normal sound with just with the valves closed, so like normal. Okay, do not bad, but we can do better than that, can't we, Kev?
Yeah.
Open them up! Oh, damn. Okay, revving. Oh, oh man. That sound, wow. Awesome. Oh man, that's awesome. Cut them off. And away is the sound. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Special shout out to JM Tuning for obviously the valves. Special shout out to Kevin. He doesn't have Instagram yet, but he's gonna. Tell him he should. Special thanks to Bart for making all of this possible. This is a really good sound. Yeah, so if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And for now, I will say see you later, guys.